punch, so this is what it's gonna be. There we go. Do the same thing on that side. And that comes down like so. Now we can get to the oil pan.
We could paint that too.
Yeah.
There's a lot of cleaning and painting.
Oh yeah.
That'll make it a 2-day job.
At least it'll come out nice.
Yeah, but it's like if we're gonna paint something, we might as well paint it all.
Right.
Because it's gonna take the same amount of time almost. Because drying is gonna be most of it.
And we got some gold over there. I see that over there. That's what we got. Some gold. And what was the other one? Gray?
Huh?
What was the other one? Gray? Gold and gray?
Gold,
Oh, it was the primer. Yeah. It was primer. Yeah, that's right.
Primer.
Okay.
And I've got some gray also elsewhere. I've got some black.
And we're gonna go.
Boring.
We're gonna go with a sick paint job too for this. So this is the paint job it's looking like now, which is legit because you know OEM. Rims on this bad boy. Dash looking nice. Fuck yeah. There we go.
Huh? So to get this oil pan down, they're saying I'm not going to have enough room to slide it back because of the transmission bell housing. So this guy's going to come down.
So I'm going to take this off right here.
Yeah, this cross member for the this idler arm for the steering. So on one side we've got the steering column, which is the driver's side, right? And that'll come down through this bracket. Right. Can you see from this side? Does this bracket drop down pretty quick? With just 2 bolts?
Yeah, I believe it's just these.
No, like right here, we've got these 2 bolts.
Oh, I can't stay up in there.
Huh?
Let me look this way. There we go. Alright. And this looks like 3. Huh? These right here?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's 2 over here. It looks to be connected over there.
Oh, but then it's hooked up top to the steering column.
Yeah.
Right, so I can't detach it from there. So I guess where I wanted to whichever one's easier. I think this will. But I don't want to fuck with that because that's hooked up to the steering. I want to stay further away from the steering.
Okay.
So I don't have to Google how to pick this apart and maybe reclock it. I haven't taken off. I think you need an impact for this, otherwise it'll spin.
You don't have an impact?
No.
I got one at the house.
An electric one?
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah?
Harbor Freight.
Have you ever taken apart these ball joints before?
No.
Make some room for you. Like a ninja. So the cotter pin, I've already done the trick once or twice, and it's out a little bit.
Okay.
But you grab it from the top, and then you can wedge off of the nut itself.
And just bend it out, yeah.
Just little by little, you work it up, and it pops out that way.
So you're not busting your knuckles, people.
Yeah. I also used that same trick with some dikes on a little key peg for the camshaft that goes into the cam sprocket, and it chews it up a little bit, but it pulled it out. You don't have to put a torch on it or anything like that. And you want to do that after you, of course, flatten out.
So here's one that's not been done. I'm going to show you just right now. I'm using the pick right now. And just wedge it open first. Oh man, that one broke off, huh?
No, I think it's just some dirt.
Oh, okay.
So the closer together you can get those, the less friction they'll give you.
Yeah. Just give it a squeeze with the good old pliers. And just roll the pliers once you got it squeezed away from.
This one's really sunk down in there. Usually the head sticks out a little bit.
Yeah.
And because this one's sunk down in there, the hole that I would normally stick a pick through is blocked up by these little pins of the castle nut.
Yeah, it's not too much of a gap to get in there. I guess kind of push that down first. It's kind of coming out, but kind of slow, not that much. Oh.
And I risk bending these up.
I was gonna say clamp and push, maybe. Yeah. I'm gonna try to come from this side, maybe. With the. There we go. Just enough to get that pick in there now, or no, to grab it. There we go. Now it's out there enough. See how I put the pick in there, and then take the pliers, squeeze it, just basically just roll it away from the bar.
This one's a bitch.
You want to go ahead and use that pick one more time before you end up squeezing the hole too tight.
I don't have much to leverage it off of. I think the hole's gone.
It's gone?
Do you see the hole?
Fuck no. It's somewhere in there. Oh yeah, I think it's. Oh.
Well, I'm just tired.
I'm gonna try.
I'm no bitch. It's stuck.
No, I didn't say you were, but I'm also coming in from a different angle.
Yeah.
That's where I was coming from with that. My hands are fat as fuck. So to get in this little area right here. There we go.
You better start breathing deep. It's serious. I got my shrink back. Just whack it.
There we go. Almost. Try to wiggle that bitch. These types of things can be so frustrating.
Yep.
So frustrating.
Look at that.
Look at that. That looks like some straight fucking stripped wire.
Yeah, it's got chewed up pretty good. Maybe some of the dirt it sucked in through with it.
Yeah, that's all it is. It's just so dirty. Almost have it though. It's almost there.
Brake clean? I think I put that shit inside. I got dirt all in my ears.
Oh,
I think I put the brake clean back out in
I
here.
don't even think you need that.
Huh?
I don't even think you need that. It looks like it's so loose now.
Yeah, give it a shot, motherfucker.
I mean, look.
Look.
Look at it.
It does look loose for some reason.
That's what I'm saying.
I'm not pulling it. Psych.
The smell.
Yeah.
Just got us some brake clean, so.
The aerosol smells a lot stronger than the pressurized air stuff.
I was just saying, get the kick and push down on the other side, huh? Yeah. Fuck yeah, now pull with the pliers. It's hard to get that pick just on there though. I know, but look, it's coming though. Just gotta keep twisting. Like you said, all the dirt and you know, it picks up a lot of dust and shit.
All the dirt from 1982 on.
Yeah.
I've never washed it. But I haven't had it since 82.
72, right? Isn't it
82.
Oh, it's an 82?
Not that old.
Oh, okay. I swear you said 72.
No, 78's the year I wanted.
Oh. Oh,
Hey.
shit, hey! Oh, don't you stop now. You fucking, yes! Victory. Victory. We're one step closer. This is looking pretty nice right now, actually. And what is that again? 18?
I think 19 again.
19? Yeah.
Yeah, 19. Which I have for this
So
guy.
why don't you take those shitty ass fucking cotter pins out? Take that 19. Get in there.
Oh, thank God.
Oh,
No impact
shit.
needed.
Yep. No, we just gotta get to that one. It's good to go.
Wait, I don't think this is the bolt we were supposed to take off.
What do you mean?
Watch.
What do you
This is
mean?
all wasted footage.
Oh. No, I think we would have had to take it off also anyway. We're moving that bar.
Yeah. But I think if we just had undone it here, then it would have dropped down.
I don't think it would have. I think we would have had to move that anyway. No?
No. Because it would have pivoted right here and come forward and down.
Oh, that connects to nothing else?
Like, yeah. These just, this is still gonna sit on top of these.
Okay.
Fuck.
But for this to come down,
Yeah.
like it's not connected up there. I can't. It's like a shadow, so I can't see if that's like solid up there.
Here?
If it's a gap.
Here?
Yeah, yeah.
It's a gap because this whole thing moves back and forth
all
and
right.
steers.
All
So, if I had undone it here instead,
I couldn't tell if there was like maybe a boot or something, like some sort of.
yeah. I mean, maybe we have to do both anyway. And now this is undone. Fuck
No,
it.
fuck.
We have to do these.
We were
anyhow.
supposed to just do these, maybe, right? No.
No,
That's the
just
steering.
these.
Yeah. Okay.
And then I could have spun this out of the way, and that would have dropped down forward and rested on here, I think. All right. Hopefully these guys aren't tough.
Okay.
Pliers.
So now what we're doing is we're taking the cotter pin off of there.
This one's angled right.
Maybe come out of there just with that. Just with
And some tapping, yeah.
Yeah. Just a little tip of tap.
I don't know.
Ooh. Blast it up a little bit or no?
Not yet. I don't want to breathe that shit.
Fuck that.
I'm not gonna get any love. What are these cotter pins? Wish I had a little cutting wheel. That first one came out quick and I thought I was slick.
Yeah. Fuck.
The center, rather than all the way out here on the side.
So say that again?
So a good way to like not put force to spin a pulley or a wheel or something like that
Yeah.
is to, instead of attaching on the outside here, you're gonna want to attach it here and come across the center, and that'll put less leverage on the whole thing as a circle. Like if you think about it, if you were to attach it here and come across, you'd be coming right through here, and that wouldn't want to spin everything.
Right.
If you come from all the way out here, you're really leveraging the
Yeah,
wheel.
it's going down.
That doesn't mean these wheels will come off though, because it may be super tight.
Yeah. I don't know.
Save your battery and put that on there.
So Right now we got this on the driver's side. This is what it's looking like over here. And then on the other side, we have a bushing. I don't know if you can see that. Right there, right where he's pointing at. So, I don't know, maybe this has already been repaired. It doesn't really look in like too bad of shape, so that could possibly be.
No, yeah, all these look fairly new. Some of them are just a little bit cracked.
Definitely like an owner or two ago, at least, maybe. So this is how that tool works right here.
Put this guy back on to protect the threads.